first of all, how are you? I hope you're doing great, and I'll tell you a bit more what you're gonna have to do, so you tell me how you're doing in a bit, right? Today, we're going to continue talking about countable and uncountable nouns. However, when you have a recipe, you need to count all the ingredients, right? I can say I have 2 eggs, but I cannot say let's use a lot of vanilla, right? So we're going to use these things called quantifiers, like a teaspoon or maybe a cup. So today I will show you how to use these quantifiers by making brownies. Please look at the video if you want me to. Look at the video several times. Don't make fun of me because I'm terrible at this. Then please answer the exercise I'm going to send you via word. You guys can brownies. Okay, so first you need 2 eggs. You need a third of a cup of flour. You need a stick of butter. You need some sugar. Let me check. You need 1 cup of sugar, okay? 1 cup. Wait. That's a lot of sugar. Okay. So you see, I have sugar and now 1 cup of sugar. And you need a third of cup of cocoa. You need to use a good cocoa. Wait. Okay. Yeah, a third of cup. And you need a teaspoon of vanilla and a teaspoon of baking powder. And last, you need some sprinkles to decorate your brownies, okay? Okay, guys, now let's get to making the brownies. First, you need to cut the stick, well, already cut it, but you need to cut the stick of butter into small pieces because we're going to melt it. You melt it to make it liquid. We are going to put it in the microwave, okay? Hold on. No, wait, don't hold on. Okay, while the butter is melting, we are going to add I don't remember. We're going to add the flour. How much flour? We're going to need, remember, 1/3 of a cup, like this. And then the cocoa. How much cocoa? We're going to add all of it. And then we said we needed the baking powder. How much? I think it was 1/4 of a teaspoon, like this. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. So how much salt? 1/4 of a teaspoon. And you're going to stir everything together. By stirring, you know, look at this. So we're going to do it. And that's it. I did a mistake. This is a very big bowl, so I'm going to place it here. Right? You can actually make these brownies. They're going to be really good. Now, in this big bowl, we are going to add how many eggs? 2. You see, I'm using how many for countable nouns. So 1 egg and 2 eggs. That's it. You're going to add the sugar. It was a cup of sugar, a lot. That's why they're so good, right? And then the teaspoon of vanilla, right? And let me see. For things like vanilla or things that you cannot count, you are going to use quantifiers, like a teaspoon, for you to know how much of the substance you need. So I think a teaspoon is a lot, okay? And the butter's ready, so wait. So the butter's ready, and I'm just going to add it to the mixture. And there are 2 things. You can either beat the mixture with a spoon. If you're going to use a spoon, you beat it. Or if you're going to use a mixer, well, you mix it like that. Wait. And now, you need some butter, a little bit, not too much. You're going to take it with a spoon. I'm a mess cooking, sorry guys. This is the quarantena speaking. So you're going to use this tray, baking tray, and you're going to use your butter, and with your cute little fingers, you're going to spread the butter. Ugh. And just for you to stop looking at me cook, you add the batter into this, to your baking tray, and you place it into the oven for 25 minutes. Okay? And you got yourself brownies. Well, almost. Wait. I'll show you when they're done.